In this lesson we will see how to move object, how to copy object, how to stretch, how to rotate, what are a mirror and stretch in modify command. Okay, so here we can see on the workspace of this AutoCAD there are different objects like rectangular object, circular, line, polyline, etc. Okay, and we will use these object to know these commands. Okay, so first of all I would like to start from the move command here. So this is the move icon, so click on the move icon and click on the object. Okay, so I am clicking this rectangular object. After selecting on the rectangular object, click enter, and you have to specify a base. For example, I am specifying this base and I want to put this base at the end of this line. Okay, so drag this object and click here, and you can see here this object has been placed from there to here. Okay, after that in this way we can use this move command to by the use of typing. Simply click on M and enter, and you will activate the move command. After that we have to see how to use copy command. So click on the copy, and after that click on the any object. For example, I want to copy this circle, so click on circle and enter, and after that we have to specify base. So I am specifying the center of the circle and click here at the end of this line. I want to put this base on the line, so click here, and you can see here this circle has been copied from here to there. Okay, after that this is our stretch command. Okay, this is very important command. So with the help of this stretch command you can stretch any object. For example, this is our object and I want to stretch this object from here to here. Okay, so take this command, left click on this stretch and select the object. I am stretching this object and enter. After that click on the base object and stretch this from here to here according to the requirement of the drawing. Okay, so I have stretched this object from here to here. After that rotate command, simply click on the rotate and select the object which you want to rotate. Okay, so I am selecting this object and enter. Click on the base of this object, so selecting on the base and at what degree you have to rotate it. For example, I want to rotate it at 45 degree and enter, and you can see here this object has been rotated by 45 degree. This is the mirror command, and with the help of this mirror command you can draw object exactly like a mirror. Now take the mirror command and select the object which you want to make a mirror. So I want to make the mirror of this object, so enter it, and after that I want to mirror it in x direction. So in x direction, do you want to erase the source object? This is our source object, so do you want to keep or erase this object? So I want to I don't want to erase this source object, so click on no, and you will see both of the object are appearing on the workspace. Okay, at that we have a scale command. For example, I have a circle, this circle, and I want to enlarge this circle by 2 times. So click on the scale and click on the object you want to scale and enter. I want to now I have to select the base point and I want to enlarge this object by 2 times. So click on to enter, and you can see that this object has been enlarged by 2 times.